Hi students, today we'll learn about present perfect tense. We'll understand what is present perfect tense, its rules and how do we use it in grammar. First of all, what is present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is used to talk about an action just completed. Means it is used to express an action that gets completed at the time of speaking. Means the act about an action that completed just completed, recently completed. And it is also used to talk about an action that happened in the past but whose effect can be felt at the time of speaking. Means it has a connection with the past and present both. It talks about the action that that began in the past but completed at the time of speaking. Means at the current time, at the present point of time. Let's take one example. Here is, I have talked to the principal. So here we have used have. So here let's learn the rule. We always use has and have and third form of the verb in present perfect tense. Third form also known as past participle form of the verb. Has, have, prayed, has, have, written. So here subject plus have plus verb plus object. This is the rule for using present perfect tense. And we always use have with I, they, you and we. Otherwise, with third person singular, he, she, it, we always use has. This way, we use present perfect tense. Let's take some examples to learn more about it. This is worksheet wherein we are supposed to fill the blanks with the present perfect form of the verbs given in the brackets. So here first sentence says Andres dash always want to be a professional footballer. So here, as we know, in present perfect tense we use has and have with the third form of verb. Andres is our subject, and after this Andres is a singular subject. So with singular subject we use has. Andres has always wanted to be a professional footballer. Want is our verb, first form of the verb, and since we use third form of the verb in present perfect, so wanted. Past and third both are wanted. The next is you dash not stop talking since you got there. So here negative sentence it is, but we are supposed to express in present perfect tense. So with you we use have. You have not stopped. Stopped third form, second and third both, but third form as we are supposed to fill. So you have not stopped talking since you got there. Next is dash you see my new laptop, it's really cool. So our verb is see, and third form of the verb as we have to use seen. And as I have discussed earlier, that whenever we are supposed to make question, any question or interrogatory statement, we put verb, helping verb before the subject. Here subject is you, so we'll be using helping verb. And which helping verb do we use in present perfect tense? We use has or have. And with you, as we use have, so we'll be using have. Have you seen? See, saw, seen. Seen is the third form of the verb. Have you seen my new laptop? So this way. Next is Cristiano Ronaldo. Scored 18 goals so far this season. So again the same rule we apply. Cristiano Ronaldo, it's a singular subject. So has scored. Scored is third form. 18 goals so far this season. Next is my dad just buy a new car. So again the singular subject is there. So my dad has just bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought a new car. Next, what dash you dash in your to your hair? It's pink. So it's an interrogatory statement, interrogatory sentence it is. So what have you done? Done is third form. Do, did, done. And have helping verb we place before the subject. Next is my mom and dad. Here our subject is plural. So have. We'll be using have. My mom and dad have taught. Taught is the third form of verb. Third and second both. So third is also this one, taught. T-A-U-G-H-T, taught. My mom and dad have taught me the most in life. Next is where dash you dash all morning. So our verb here in the bracket is be. As I have discussed it earlier, that whenever be is there in the bracket given as a verb. So what are the three forms of be? Be, was, been. Be, was, been. Right? And third form is been. B-double-E-N, been. So we'll be using been here. So where have you been all morning? Next is I not pass all my exams this year, so I am disappointed. Again the same rule. Negative sentence it is. Present perfect negative. So I have not passed all my exams this year, so I am disappointed. 10th one is my brother dash in love with a girl from France. So my brother singular subject. So has fallen. Fallen is third form. Fallen. So third form will be using my brother has fallen in love with a girl from France. This way we can use present perfect tense of verbs in grammar, and the same way we can complete worksheet number 7 of our PB.